Trillium Machine and Tool is an established specialty machine company. We specialize in designing and building custom automated machines for a wide range of business sectors, including automotive, food processing, and consumer products. With over 30 years of industry experience, you can trust us to create a turnkey solution for any manufacturing challenge you have. From concept to delivery, our expertise in the automation industry will guarantee our clients have the most up-to-date technology and solutions to help them accomplish their needs for years to come. We work closely with our clients to ensure that expectations and goals are met in every aspect of the project: design, manufacturing, building, programming, and delivery. We walk with you every step of the way. Trillium Machine and Tool, where your vision is our business.